engines, ride, and handling kite the rest of the AMG GT lineup. The GTR models are all powered by a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Both the GTR and GTR Pro models make 577 horsepower, and rear-wheel drive is the only option. Compared with the regular GTS, the GTR has a slew of aerodynamic and chassis enhancements to make it faster around a track, with the Pro version getting additional modifications including a bigger wing and adjustable suspension. At our annual Lightning Lap track test at Virginia International Raceway, the GTR Coupe is the 6th fastest production car we've ever run. Interior and technology. Each version of the GTR is a strict two-seater with a fairly cramped cabin, but the interior is gorgeous to look at and filled with high-quality materials. The GTR comes standard with performance bucket seats, and the Roadster gets the option of quilted Napa leather. Each version gets LED headlights, a Burmester sound system, an 8.4-inch infotainment screen with special AMG displays, and the option of driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. The standard Mercedes-AMG GTR is already in the top 10 on our all-time Lightning Lap leaderboard, where we lapped it around Virginia International Raceway's Grand Course in an impressive 2:43.4. And the new 2020 GTR Pro has one purpose: to take its already formidable twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 and highly agile and communicative rear-drive chassis and make it even quicker on the track. As a serious piece of performance work, it is a formidable foe to Porsche's 911 GT3 Rs, albeit one that is a bit hardcore for regular street use. Which is probably why AMG didn't bother to let us drive its even higher test GTR Pro version on the road, instead sending us straight onto the 2.8-mile Hockenheimring Formula One racing circuit, home of the 2019 German Grand Prix. Even more exciting, it was raining on our drive day. Although our fair weather photos show otherwise, a steady spring shower kept each of its 17 turns and several long straights sopping wet for the entirety of our session. You'll just have to trust us on that one. Despite the conditions and the fitment of the cars, no cost, optional Pirelli P0 Performance street tires in block of the standard Michelin Pilot Cup 2 almost slicks, there was no doubting the GTR Pro's potential. If anything, the rain amplified its capabilities. Through spray and standing water mechanically, the GTR Pro employs the same boosted AMG V8, 577 HP, 516 lb-ft of torque, and 7-speed dual-clutch transaxle as the regular GTR, although the car's enhanced performance necessitated tuning revisions for its active engine mounts, gearbox, and limited slip differential. A deep, snarling roar fills the cabin when you mat the accelerator, and the dual-clutch automatic still snaps off rapid-fire upshifts and smartly downshifts and holds gears through corners, effectively laying down the AMG's prodigious power. Below 100 miles per hour was an act of patience and caution, even with the excellent wet weather traction of the Pirellis, but the GTR Pro could still flood your body with endorphins as it blasted out of corners.